Hi and welcome back. In the last episode I exported the COMOS report and showed how revision changes appear in Excel. In this episode I'll take it a step further by generating a template-based Excel report, but this time as part of a revision release. Let's go. Before we start, here's the overall idea. Instead of exporting this report directly with a right click, I'll set it up so that the Excel report is generated automatically when I release a new revision, replacing the standard PDF attachment. One of the nice features built into this. Now let's set up the structure and the layout for this Excel report. Most of the configuration is already in place. The template file, the target sheet and the column mappings are all already set. One thing I do want to highlight here is a useful feature. We can add document attributes from COMOS that we want to include in the info section like this. And instead of keeping them on a separate info sheet, I'll map them directly into the template so they fit neatly into the layout. Now I just need to save this. These settings then remain on the document and are most likely not something that the average user will change very often, as you may have a layout that you always want to apply to this type of report. To demonstrate this, I've already made some changes to the report and created a new revision that I now simply need to release. Before I do that, I just want to make sure that the Excel report will be attached automatically. So I'll switch to the Excel report settings tab. And as you can see, the option to attach the Excel report on a revision release is enabled. With that in place, I can go ahead and release the revision. Now that the revision is released, we can see that it has an attachment. I'll go into the additional documents where we can find the Excel report that has been generated for this revision. Before we look at the report, let's quickly take a look at the template I used for this example. It looks like this. Now let's take a look at the report itself. Here we can see the report exactly as defined by the template, with the layout, formatting and the structure according to the configuration set on this document. The document attributes I added earlier are mapped directly into the template here, instead of to a separate info sheet. We also have revision handling applied here, and everything looks nice and well presented. So that's the template-based Excel report, created automatically as part of a revision release. And I want to point out that even though we viewed it as part of the revision process here, with these configurations in place, you can also generate the same report simply by right-clicking and exporting the document. In the next episode, I'll show the compare tool. See you then.